Drink to clear liver in just 3 days. First, we bring a large beetroot, peel it, and then cut it into small pieces. Beets help support the production of detoxification enzymes, which help the liver get rid of toxins more efficiently. Second, we bring an apple, peel it well, and then cut it into small pieces. Apples are full of antioxidants. They work to protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Third, we bring a lemon and cut it into small pieces. The natural citric acid found in lemons helps improve liver function by helping dissolve harmful substances and prevent their accumulation. Fourth, we bring an orange, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Fifth, we bring a piece of ginger, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Ginger is important for liver health as it prevents the accumulation of fat in the liver, which reduces the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Finally, we prepare all the ingredients. Put all the ingredients in the blender. Mix them all in the blender. Then filter the drink into a glass container. A drink to purify the liver in 3 days. Drink it once in the morning and evening. You will find a magical effect. Write to me in a comment if you will try the drink and share the video with your friends and family, and do not forget to save the video. Thank you.